Hey, how's it going, guys? Today is April 2nd, and I'm recording a little video of a walk with me and Hannah. I wasn't really planning on doing a video, but I got out here and it's such a beautiful day. Got a little bit of snow here last night in Wisconsin, and that's pretty much par for the course here in Wisconsin. It could snow at any time, and then tomorrow it could be 80 degrees. I just thought it was a really peaceful day, and I started feeling really relaxed back here, and I thought I'd capture some footage. You guys are having a good weekend wherever you are. Hope the weather's nice. This is going to be a pretty short video. I just wanted to kind of take you guys along for a little walk. Back over there in the distance, that is the Johnson's Park golf course. And this little channel right here that you see is water runoff that runs to the Root River here in Racine. We've had a ton of rain, and like I said, we had some snow last night, so there's a lot of runoff. It's still a little bit overcast in the sky. Looks like we may get more rain later. This is another one of my favorite parks to come to. After a long week at work, I like to come out here and hit my reset button. Get rid of all that stress from the week. We are approaching the Root River over this way. And you can see that it's way over flooded right now. See how far that tree is out there. Usually the shoreline is just beyond the tree a little bit, a couple feet. I see a blue jay up there. See if I can get close enough to it. You guys see the blue jay? Whoa. Just flew away. Maybe it's not a blue jay, it's some kind of a blue and orange bird. Not sure what that is. See the sky in the background has those menacing clouds just kind of hanging over. We're gonna get more rain later. It's still in the 30s right now. We may even get snow. It is what it is. I've taken footage out here before. Just wanted to kind of show you guys the rapids and the swollen river. Comes somebody else with their dog, I think, over here. Yeah, there's somebody else over there. Pup. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. You're a good puppy. It's okay. See? You're a good dog. You're a good dog. Morning. That is beautiful to me. I love this. I noticed there were quite a few trees here in this little woods that they have marked with this orange paint. And I think they're going to be taking these trees down. Some of them are huge. Some more over that way. Like right in this area, that one right there. Some of these trees are probably 100 years old or more. guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. Just wanted to shoot a quick video. Hope everybody out there is having a great weekend. Leave any comments below. Take care, guys. I'll see you in the next video.